Whoa, what's good issue? This is your boy praise underscore dude. So guys, as you can see behind me, there's a very beautiful background. I'm sure you all wondering where is this place, but don't worry guys, today I'm gonna be showing you inside my brandy sparkling new apartment here in Harare, Zimbabwe. If it's your first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. You understand? So today, guys, we're out here at Aspindale Park. We out in Aspindale Park, but we out here at Aspire Heights Acacia Estate. You understand? And I'm gonna be showing you inside my brand new apartment. But before I do that, guys, I just wanna give you an house tour of this place. You know, in Zimbabwe there's so many gated communities, and people they don't know there's Madokero, there's Aspindale, there's Borode, what there's a lot of gated communities. But today I am gonna be showing you inside Aspire Heights Acacia Estate. It's like a gated community. It's a gated community whereby you need a tape card to enter here. You also need to pass through the security here to go inside. There's a lot of security checks, and there's also cameras all over that will be checking you. So firstly, the security is nice. Cameraman, let's take them inside. You feel me? And as you can see, we just entering. The first thing that you're gonna see is a double-sided gate, the entrance and the exit. And there's a lot of celebrities which lives here. I'm gonna tell you who and who. But anyways, as you can see, there is parking for everyone in front of the flat, which means if you are driving your car, there is safe parking inside because there's cameras everywhere, and also there is security, of course. Let's go. As you can see, there's nice flowers, and the place is so super clean. There's corporates here. Let's go. Let's move. I don't know who's playing some music, but I guess you can see there's some lawn there. The apartments, they are so super clean, and there's a plenty of parking. Not just plenty of parking, there is plenty of safe parking. I think I will show them later there, but there is I will show them later. Okay, come. So guys, when I buy my car, I'm gonna be parking it maybe here or maybe in front of the flat. So those who know Komi Kyoda was living in that flat. I'm gonna show you now. He's no longer here, so I'm gonna show you where exactly he was living. So let's go. As you can see, the flats, they are so nice, like very nice. If I just say nice, I'll be lying. They are very nice, and there's lighting everywhere, which means there won't be darkness in the in the yard. There will be lights everywhere in the yard, and it's so clear and it's so very beautiful. Besides that, there's Hungry Lion next to our flats. There's Chicken Inn, there's Tears, there's Inbox, there's the Pick and Pay. You feel me? What else? There's Pizza Inn as well. So there are so many food courts which are near us, which means this place is so nice also for bachelors. Let me take this side. I want to show them this side as well. You feel me? As you can see down there, we got a backup tank which we use when there is no water. We'll be covered. There's a backup tank there, and we also have places, for bins where we put the trash. You won't just throw like your trash anywhere around. That's why you see this place is so sparkling clean. As you can see, the place is very clean. Besides, you just don't put your clothes anywhere. Let me show you. Every flat, they got their own washing line. As you can see by the clothes there, you can put your clothes there. Even this side, there is some, there's also some lawn to chew. Come this side, cameraman. I'm gonna be showing them some beans, some flowers. The parking is everywhere, bro. Come this side, bro. To those who are wondering how much the rents are, I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video. You feel me? Come this side. Let's show the people around. As you can see, it's so clean and clear. Even if it's raining, you can still walk nicely. There's pavement everywhere, and look how beautiful the flats are. You can see by yourself. Come. So Komi Kyoda used to stay inside this flat and used to park his Raptor here. That's it, right? Yeah. So let's go. But unfortunately, he moved out. As you can see, they are very nice as new. Yes, look at Mkuru. content creators for ED. You feel me? In it, you can see. Shout out to Mkuru. I gave you a free promo. Yeah, he should sponsor us though. So guys, as you can see, this side we got a washing line. As you can see, there's a washing line here. This one is the bigger one, which means the people that says this side they use this washing line. As you can see, inside the washing lines there is sinks as well. There's no need for you to care what you call it, your dish or what. You just use the sink, you close here, and then you do your washing. You put the washing here in the laundry. It's very safe. Even if you leave it for the whole week, no one is going to touch it. If you want to use the sinks, very clean. Come on, guys, let's go show them. And there's security also. If it's late, they will lock this gate, put a lock, close it, so that your clothes are always safe. As you can see here, everything is clean. Come this side, my guy. Let me show them at the back. There's another as well. This side, there's some clothes as well here. I mean, sir, there's a bin. This is a place for some bins. As you can see, if you there's trash, we don't just throw everywhere. So after emptying all the bins in the apartments, they will come and place them here. And later on, those guys who collect trash, they call them a bin. They'll come at the back there. There's a road at the back there, and there's a gate there. You see, they'll just collect the bins from there, and then just like that, the trash is out from the apartments. Don't mind my English. It is as bad as a relationship. So at the back, we got a small backyard here. As you can see, there's a nice lawn here. There's a benches to stay with your family and whatever. A lawn to play some football for your family and stuff. So refreshing and so nice. Come here, my guy. Let me show them here. At that side also, there's washing line and there's bins as well. So guys, today I'm going to take you through inside the steps, and I'm going to show you in the flats. Feel me? Come here, my guy. Come here. Okay, you can leave the umbrella there. You can see there's lighting everywhere, which means it's safe. You can walk freely and very safe. Oh, come here, my guy. Let me take them here and show them. As you can see, there is very clean. It's a very clean. There's stairs. Unfortunately, there's no lift, but there's stairs. And this is how clean it is, as you can see. This is where you lock your stuff, your brooms and stuff, put them here in the lock. And you can see, if you want some nice views, you can see from here, everything. There's a nice view. Unfortunately, we're so late to go up there on the third floor. But you can see how clean it is and how safe it is. So you guys, check, man. Show them. These flats are located here in Aspindale Park. And, you know, let's go, man. Let's go show them, man. Let's go show them. Okay. Let's go, my guy. So, guys, you can see, no one can tell you that this place is a very nice place. No one can tell you. You can just see by yourself. Let's go, my guy. Before the rain become too much, you can see they are empty flats. These ones. If you want some flats, you just come direct here at Aspindale Park. You can see these flats, they are empty. Need some families to chill there. Feel me? So let's go there. Let's go there and see what's popping. To those who are wondering, where is this place located? This place is located in Aspindale Park. You have to go to Aspindale Park to get more info about this place, or you just have to go on their website and search Aspire Heights. You find them there, and you also find the listing and the rentals option. I don't know if my English is correct, but yeah, that's what you will do. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be showing you everything about this apartment, but don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more and more content. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, as you can see, there's a lot of empty rooms, as you can see here. Yeah, come here, my guy. A lot of empty rooms. There's like a balcony. See, to those who don't want to live up there, you can still, you know, live here. It's peaceful. I think you can see here. So peaceful. You can see. See, so peaceful here. If you want to put your stuff, you can put your stuff here. It's locked. They can lock here. If you live in the flats as well, if you live inside here, you can also use this washing line in your bins. If you don't want to interact with a lot of people, as you can see, there's washing line, your self-washing line. Show them the views there. And show them how beautiful it is at night. If you want to put some fuel, I forgot to tell you, there's RK station as well there. If you want to put some fuel, it's chai. So guys, as you can see, the place is so dope. Like, it's so nice, like very, very quiet, you can see. And it's giving, saladic vibes, you know what I'm saying? And not for POV, man. You can see. It's giving saladic vibes. You won't even want to go to the UK, or you won't even want to go to South. It's giving South. This place is giving South. You will never care about going outside. Because in your country, you got all this, Look, everything, the lights, those aesthetics. It's giving, man. And one thing that I love about this place, it's so peaceful for people especially like people like creators like me. It's so peaceful and it's very, very quiet. It's very, very, very super quiet. Come, guys, you have to watch to the end so that I'll show you my new apartment here. Come, let me show them the whole parking here. Let me show them the whole parking this side. Look how cool the place is. Let me show them. So guys, we are so sorry, unfortunately, we had to shoot this video at night because you can see the weather is so bad and I don't know, man. Also, one more thing, we also got a car wash here. As you can see, if you want to get your car washed, you don't need to go to the gate or you don't need to go outside there for those guys to stretch your cars. There's very professional people that can wash your cars here. As you can see, there's a washing machine here. Is it a washing machine? What is it called? Washing machine? Huh? It's a Hoover. And this is called what? Compressor. It's a compressor. What's the name? I don't know. But yeah, what I know is a washing machine to wash your cars. There's a lot of people, rich buggers, SunPF people lives here. You can see. Rich buggers. Us, we live here. I'm not rich, guys. Don't forget to wash my heads. As you can see. And also, one more thing. There's very beautiful girlfriends here in the complex because there are so many salad girlfriends who lives here and they're so introverts. They just take her around like a walk around there, you know what I'm saying? And look parking 122, 123. There's hundreds of parking here. 144. You can't complain about parking. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, let's go outside. Show the people what's happening here. One thing that I like about this place is security. Show them the quietness. Aesthetics. Is it called aesthetics or aesthetics? I don't know. But yeah, show them. Security guards. You can't just enter here. You can't, You only have to live here if you want to enter. Feel me? Let's go, my guy. Let's go. Oh, and also, I hear the gate, there's free internet, free Wi-Fi. For those ghettos who don't want to, put some ATM, you can get it here by the security. And those people that would like to buy another flats, there's a new complex that has been built just opposite here. So if you want another new complex, I'm sure soon, by next month, the complex will be done and it will be open. As you can see, they didn't even take like 3 months or 2 months to build this place, right? Yeah, and also cameras everywhere. So guys, now I'm taking you to the park and to the playing area of the complex. You feel me? So guys, one other thing that I like about this place, there's free breastings here. There's free benches for families to stay. There is also free children's playground. You see the playground or something? Yeah, children's playing area. And it's so secured. It's so fenced. It's fenced. And there is security. As you can see how cool the place is. You can also live here. Look how cool it is, man. Look like how cool it is. You feel me? It's so cool. It's so quiet. Giving saladic vibes. You know what I'm saying? Look. It's a playing area. As you can see. For kids, man. Besides that, there's also chairs, benches, and breastings for the adults. You feel me? Come, let me show you. As you can see, parking, everything, saladic vibes, no complaint. And by the opposite also, there's car parks, garages just across the road. You feel me? And there's nicely cutted grass here. The lawn, which is down here. As you can see, it's a nice playing area. If you want to come and chill with your family, this is where I used to come and get those couples who are dating, you know what I'm saying, who are doing, and then I would do couples exchanging phones, blah, 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 in it. As you can see, and these bricks, I think they are for building like, a jura or something. to secure this place. If you want to chill with the family, you can come chill at these benches. If you want to do braai, this is a bin. There's a bin there. If you want to eat your food, you can just throw your food, your junk in your bin. And there is price stands. Besides, also there is lights as well, street lights down here. So which means everything is just way. Even if it's Christmas, you come, you go, blah blah blah. Mind you, this is a public price stand, but it doesn't even look public at all because it's better than the one which is at your house, the one which is not public. But the public one is better. If you want to put some meat, some everything. They want to put some charcoal, your beers and everything, and put them here. In it, there is a street light, as you can see, just to light up the place. Which means they know that there are some people that want to take a walk during at night. You know what I'm saying? Come and chill here, this side, blah blah. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I think we're done with this side. Let's walk here. Besides, there's also a very nice romantic place or a very nice romantic road to walk with the partner. I can show them from there, and you can show them this side also. Yeah, it's very quiet and so peaceful and so romantic to chill with your partner. You feel me? So guys, I recommend you to come and chill with me in these brandy sparkling new flats that are located here in Aspindale, Harare, Zimbabwe. As you can see, it's a very nice place, man. Like, it's very, 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 very cute and nice. Come on, I want to show you those bachelors that don't want to cook. There's a food outlet there. I think I showed you. This is how near they are. Benches, everything. Look at the views, man. Like, look at the views. At night, you have a very beautiful view of the cars that are passing by there. You feel me? A very nice view of the engine garage there. It's RK. Yeah, I'm used to South African safe stations. We call them garages. But anyways, there is chicken in there. I think now they can clearly see. There is tears, pizza, chicken in bags, drive-through as well here. Hungry Leon in Pick and Pay there. I think you can see. And this is how clear it is. The trash lorries will come and collect from here. Yeah, I guess. And look how clear it is, man. It's not even dark. And there is full-time electricity here. It doesn't go. Full-time water supplies as well. It doesn't go. Come in, let me show them. Let me show them, man. Storage. Okay. Anyways, guys, I think here they can see me clearly. Cameraman, if you go there, maybe they can, Yeah. Okay. I bet, guys, I think you guys can all see me clearly. But the thing is, like, I don't stay there. You guys, so if you have watched to the end, please, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. But if you watch my ads, definitely and hopefully, I'm gonna be staying there. Definitely next month, hopefully. But the problem is, I don't know if someone to share with. Some other people, they're selling the flats. They're going from 600, 700. It's a 2-bedroom in the dining. You know what I'm saying? Others, they were saying yesterday, up there it's 450. It's cheaper. I don't know. But if there's someone who is serious who wanna share with me, you can just DM me or right. I'm gonna put my number here on the screen. And yeah, to be honest, I don't stay there. I stay inside there, but it's still beautiful though. But it's just that they are not flats, but it's still in Aspindale. Feel me? I bet, guys, if you have enjoyed the video to the end, please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. And got a moment. But hopefully I will stay there. Hopefully. I don't know, guys, if you have enjoyed watching the place or if you enjoy seeing tours, especially people that are in diaspora, want to enjoy the development which is taking place in Zimbabwe. You can subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell me in the comment section where you want me to go. Even if you want to support us, you can support us. Anyways, those who want channel promotion, don't forget to hit me up. Brand deals, don't forget to hit me up. Everyone, don't forget to hit me up. I love you all, guys. Peace out. Green apples!